Kitchens and bathrooms are the heart of any rental property, enduring constant use and facing the harshest wear and tear. Unlike living rooms or bedrooms, these areas are exposed daily to moisture, heat, grease, stains, and relentless water usage, all of which speed up damage and require frequent repairs. Keeping these spaces in excellent condition is essential not only for tenant satisfaction, but also for protecting your investment and minimizing costly repairs. In this video, we will guide you through practical, effective strategies to maintain your kitchen and bathroom for maximum longevity, helping you safeguard your rental property's value and appeal over time. 1. Invest in durable fixtures and high-quality finishes from the start. The foundation of a long-lasting kitchen and bathroom lies in selecting durable, premium-quality materials. Cheaper fixtures may lower initial costs, but often lead to early problems, such as leaking taps, chipped tiles, and stained countertops. By choosing stainless steel taps, granite or quartz countertops, branded sanitary ware, and ceramic or anti-skid tiles from reputable manufacturers, you create spaces that resist moisture, stains, and physical damage far better. This wise investment not only enhances durability, but also adds to the rental appeal and value of your property. 2. Ensure effective waterproofing to avoid hidden structural damage. Water damage remains one of the most destructive threats to kitchens and bathrooms, often going unnoticed until costly repairs become necessary. Proper waterproofing during construction or renovation is crucial, especially under tiles, around showers, and beneath sinks. Use waterproof membranes and sealants correctly to prevent leaks, damp walls, mold growth, and concrete deterioration. Regularly inspect grout lines and joints for cracks or water seepage, particularly in bathrooms adjoining bedrooms or shared walls, to nip problems in the bud. 3. Commit to deep cleaning beyond tenant responsibilities. Tenants typically handle daily cleaning, but landlords should arrange for periodic deep cleaning to maintain hygiene and prevent deterioration. Scheduling professional cleanings at move-in, move-out, and annually during long-term leases helps remove accumulated grime, discoloration in tile joints, grease buildup on cabinets, and blockages in chimneys or ducts. This thorough upkeep not only preserves fixtures and surfaces, but also fosters tenant confidence by demonstrating a well-maintained living environment. 4. Regularly inspect plumbing for leaks and drainage issues. Small plumbing faults in wet areas can quickly escalate into major problems. Leaks beneath sinks can cause cabinet rot, while blocked drains may result in foul odors and backflow. Conduct plumbing inspections every 6 months, examining pipes, joints, and fittings thoroughly. Encourage tenants to promptly report dripping taps, slow drainage, or damp smells. In multi-story buildings, watch for ceiling seepage from floors above as a sign of hidden leaks needing urgent attention. 5. Prioritize ventilation to prevent moisture damage and mold. Proper ventilation is vital yet often overlooked in prolonging kitchen and bathroom lifespan. Kitchens need effective chimneys or exhaust fans to clear grease, smoke, and odors, while bathrooms require ventilators to reduce steam and inhibit mold growth. Ensure windows are easy to open, exhaust fans work efficiently, and ducts are cleaned regularly. In modern properties, sensor-based exhaust systems that activate automatically in response to humidity or motion can greatly improve air quality and protect surfaces from moisture damage. 6. Use moisture-resistant paints and protective finishes. Despite good waterproofing and ventilation, kitchens and bathrooms remain exposed to constant moisture. Applying antifungal, washable paint specifically formulated for high humidity areas prevents peeling, staining, and mold formation. For cabinetry, materials like marine-grade plywood or laminate offer superior protection against swelling and warping. If your cabinets are made of MDF or particle board, seal edges with waterproof varnish to shield against splashes and spills, thereby extending their usable life. 7. Choose easy-to-maintain kitchen and bathroom designs. Design choices significantly influence how easily these areas can be cleaned and maintained. Avoid complex layouts with many crevices or open shelves near cooking zones that attract grease and dust. Instead, opt for closed cabinetry, backsplash tiles, wall-mounted vanities, and raised appliances where feasible. These features not only enhance the modern look, but also reduce maintenance challenges and minimize the risk of damage caused by spills or moisture exposure. 8. Provide tenants with clear and practical maintenance guidelines. while landlords oversee major maintenance. Tenants play a key role in everyday cleanliness and minor upkeep. Offering tenants a simple, clear maintenance guide at move-in helps them understand best practices, such as using gentle cleaning agents, avoiding materials that clog drains, promptly wiping spills, and handling appliances correctly. Encourage tenants to report issues early, as timely intervention can prevent small faults from becoming expensive repairs. 9. Replace silicone sealants and caulking regularly. Silicone sealants around sinks, toilets, and bathtubs are critical barriers preventing water seepage. Over time, these sealants degrade, crack, or turn black, allowing moisture to penetrate hidden areas and cause damage. Replacing all silicone seals every 2 years helps maintain water tightness, protects cabinetry and walls, and prevents mold growth, ensuring your rental's wet areas remain in optimal condition. 10. Perform detailed move-in and move-out inspections. Conducting thorough inspections during tenant changeovers is essential to track and preserve the condition of kitchens and bathrooms. Look for scratches, burns, cracked tiles, broken knobs, and signs of water damage, especially under sinks. Document conditions with photographs and share them with tenants for transparency. Fairly deduct repair costs from security deposits when needed, providing evidence to maintain trust and protect your property's long-term integrity. Bonus advice: maintain and upgrade appliances thoughtfully. Kitchens and bathrooms often include appliances such as hobs, chimneys, microwaves, water purifiers, geysers, and exhaust fans. Regular servicing, cleaning filters, checking wiring, and replacing parts can extend appliance life and reduce costly replacements. When upgrades are necessary, select reliable brands with good service support and warranties to ensure longevity and minimize downtime. Your kitchen and bathroom are crucial to tenant satisfaction, property health, and investment returns. By combining high-quality materials, thorough maintenance, tenant education, and smart design, you not only enhance durability, but also foster a positive rental experience. Keeping these spaces in top shape reflects professionalism and care, ensuring your rental property remains desirable and well-maintained for years to come. If you found this video helpful or learned something new, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more expert property maintenance tips and advice. Stay tuned for more practical insights to keep your rental property in excellent condition.